What is a masterpiece? Is it created by nature or by hand? Is it a product of time or technology? Does it soothe the senses or provoke thought? Ground you or transport you? A masterpiece improves the lives of all who experience it. 3M NOC Architectural Finishes bring you the beauty of hundreds of natural elements to inspire your masterpiece. Create a stunning new space, quickly, easily, and sustainably. Or breathe life into an existing space, almost overnight. With non-porous surfaces that aren't just beautiful, but easy to clean and maintain. NOC combines art with advancements in science, so you can capture the natural beauty of the most majestic stone or the world's finest woods. Use 3M NOC Architectural Finishes to create your masterpiece in little time and with little disruption, without sacrificing a forest or your creative ideals. There are no boundaries, no limits. Create your masterpiece. Learn more